The best buying opportunity since April could be right around the corner, not based on price, but based on fear. By some of my measurements, we have not seen this much fear since April. And in an ongoing bull market, where my research, and I can be wrong, says that the stock market is higher in the next 4 to 6 months, well, when we see this much short-term fear, those fearful, emotional, herd market people are making a mistake, and it always snaps back. Be ready for the buying opportunity. Don't say I didn't warn you. One of several indicators telling me that a buying opportunity could be right around the corner is we have 2 one-sided down days within very close proximity of each other. Last week, Thursday, I get it, technically they didn't close down 80% lower on the volume and issues. It was very, very close, but I'll call it a one-sided down day. And yesterday, absolutely a one-sided down day. Now, we can have more selling. That is absolutely possible. But very often when we get these 2 one-sided down days, if they are then followed up by 2 one-sided up days, which does not have to happen technically because small caps are so weak, we could be in a later stage bull market and maybe it doesn't happen. But a lot of times when we get this much fear, and if it can be followed up by some finally energized buyers, can be, no, so I don't want to be a buyer later on when the buyers are energized. I want to be a buyer now. Now, yesterday, yet again, intraday, the S&P 500 SPX came down to that level that I've predefined for you many times. I realize I cut off the number on the right-hand side, but that lower white line is 6,636 on the SPX. If by the end of the day today, we can hold that level, or we come down to it again first thing in the morning and then pop back up, that could be the buying opportunity. In my opinion, and I can be wrong, my friends, if we can remain above 6,636 on the SPX today, that's the buying opportunity. Now, I get it, how the emotional herd reacts to NVIDIA earnings tomorrow after the bell is the total wild card. What makes me think it is possible to get a pop up higher from it is, again, specifically in NVIDIA, the underlying emotions are very fearful right now, and anything better than horrible numbers could drive it higher. I can't tell the future, but let's see. Again, buying opportunity in general here, I think right around the corner. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC.